Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to repair this vegetable slicer. The problem of this one is that it got broke. See, it has a broken part in here and another broken part right here. It usually locks in here by pressing it down. But when you press it down and then you twist it clockwise, it locks under this part and under this one. But since this part is missing, the extended plastic part in here is already broken, not like this one. It doesn't lock all the way. See? You can still lift it on this part because it's not locking properly because there's a missing part. Okay? So we are going to fix this first, and then we are going to build up something in here similar to this one. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, we will put epoxy on top of it for it to be stronger. I hope you can see those 4 staple wires that I have put in. There is also a small crack in here. I hope you can see it there. So I also put a staple wire in it. Okay, just to show you what I have done. This part was originally reconnected using a super glue, but to further strengthen the reconnection, I added a staple wire on the side. I hooked it by drilling a hole diagonally on this side and connect it into a hole on that body of this screw hole. Also here, I made a diagonal drill and hook the staple wire and connect it on top. This one was also connected earlier using super glue, and I added also these staple wires before finally putting an epoxy on top. Okay, let's add some epoxy now. Okay, we will just wait for it to completely harden. By the way, this acrylic glass is very weak. Since it is weak, I will also put in epoxy around this screw slot to make it stronger. Okay, we'll let it dry. Sorry it didn't record, but I drilled a hole in here and then put this small nail that would act as a support for the part that we are going to recreate. This is how small that part is that we are going to recreate. As small as this one. We will just let it dry because I put in some super glue in it. I will put some oil in here so that the epoxy won't stick onto this one. Just a small amount of oil. If ever there would be some excess, we will just grind it. Or sand it. Okay, we will wait for it to harden. Okay, it has dried up, this part. This square slot should be here. Then twist it counterclockwise. Okay. It's locked in. It's locked in. No more space. You can no longer pull it up. To take it out, press this down. Turn counterclockwise. Let's try. Let's not. Okay, let's try it. Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.